Use the intelligent word prediction in Docs Plus for improved coherence, spelling, grammar, and increased productivity. Word prediction can be particularly helpful for students with limited physical access to the computer, those with dyslexic tendencies, and English language learners. To open the Predictor, in the Document Ribbon tab, click the Predictor icon. As I start typing, we'll get some suggestions, and I can right-click to listen to a word read aloud if I'm unsure of which one to pick.
Erosion. Eroding.
I can left-click to send a word into the document. When the 1, 2, 3 button here is enabled, as it is, pressing the number keys will select that corresponding word and send that word into the document. So I'll push 1, and it will send "and" in. If I want to move the predictor, I can click here on the bottom and drag the bar. And also the size of the window can be altered by dragging the bottom right corner.